big deal. It's no big deal. Everybody forgets things sometimes. Big change. It was a big change in lifestyle when we moved to the US. Big surprise. She threw a big surprise for me on my birthday. Big mistake. It was a big mistake to leave my keys at home. Big decision. Moving to New York was a big decision. Big difference. Keeping physically and mentally active can make a big difference in the way you feel. Big improvement. There has been a big improvement in the employees' performance as new perks have been introduced. Big step. Our team took a big step forward. Big disappointment. The loss of the cricket match was a big disappointment for the crowd. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting content.